Hello students, welcome to EVS class. Today I am going to explain you about web of life. So watch this video carefully and repeatedly for better understanding and with your textbook. Okay, so before we start our lesson, let's see what we are going to learn. Objective. In this you're going to learn about various types of food that animal eat. Learn about the interdependence of organism on each other. Learn about the basic things needed for life and food chain and food web. Okay, these all things we are going to learn in this chapter. So let's start now. Open your page number 160, lesson number 24, web of life. Here pictures are given and we have been asked to link it. So let's read. By now you must have read almost the complete book. You have read about trees, water, houses, animals, vehicles and many other things. You must have thought about them as well. Can you tell why did we try to know and think about all these things? How are we linked to the things shown in the picture? Come, let us find out. Children, in this circle, draw your picture in the blank space. Okay? Now look at this picture and draw your picture in this circle, and now let's link with the things which we are connected with. So first of all, very important is air. To stay alive we breathe in oxygen, isn't it? So we need air. Sunlight is very important to us. Without sunlight we can't live. We need water to drink and to stay alive. We can obtain many things from the water, like plants. We can eat, we can grow plants, and from plants we can get our food. So water is also important and plant is also important. Now cow. Cow is important to us. Why? Because it gives us milk. House is important because it gives us shelter, so we stay protected. Moon is very important to us because at night moon gives us light. Then soil is very important because on the soil we can make houses, build houses, and we can grow plants, we can grow our food crops also. Okay, so these are the things we can connect with ourselves. Okay, now let's see further about how each other can connected or linked with each other. Before that, let us understand about surrounding. Our surrounding, the things which are around you are called your surroundings. Okay, carries many living things and non-living things. So let's understand about it first. Living, biotic, and non-living things are called abiotic factors. Okay, living things examples are plants, animals, birds, bacteria, etc. While non-living examples are water, sunlight, soil, air, temperature. Living things that have life, can grow, can move, need food and water, can breathe and can respire. That do not have life. It cannot grow, cannot move, they do not need food and water. They cannot breathe. They cannot reproduce. There are 5 basic needs that all living things have, and they are sunlight, water, air, food, and temperature. These all things are very important for living things to stay alive. For humans, need water, food, and air to stay alive. Okay. Now let's understand interdependence of human with animal. Interdependence means how they are depending on each other, that we will understand. Interdependence of plants. Now let us understand interdependence of plants and animals. Children, as you can see in this picture, in presence of sunlight, with the help of water and good soil and carbon dioxide, this plant make their food. Okay, and it gives us fruits. Okay, here on the other end, humans and animals, they breathe in oxygen while breathe out carbon dioxide, and this carbon dioxide is taken by plants, and by the photosynthesis they prepare their food and they take out, or we can say exhale, oxygen. Okay, and that oxygen we inhale means सांस हम लेते हैं, वो ऑक्सीजन लेते हैं. Okay, and we take out, we exhale carbon dioxide, which is used by plants. So these are the interdependence. And what plant give us? It gives us oxygen as well as fruits. Okay, so this fruit we eat as a food to stay alive. Now natural get this we exhale carbon dioxide, animals and humans, and this carbon dioxide is used by plants to prepare their food. Okay, and then they take out or they exhale oxygen, which is taken by animals and human beings. Okay, so this process is continuous process. Now let's understand food chain. Look at the grass. The grasshopper eats grass. Frog eats grasshopper. Snake eats frog, and eagle or kite eat snake. Now how this eagle or kite is helpful to grass? When it dies, the dead body decompose and it make the soil fertile, and so it is helpful to grow grass. Okay, so this is food chain. So here each and everything is interdependent or interlinked with each other. Now let's understand how animals help us. Cow and buffalo, they give us milk. Even give us milk. Sheep give us wool. Few animals, they give us eggs and flesh. Chicken, horse, bullock cart and donkey carts. These are the animals which help us to pull our load. Dogs, dog guard our house, where cat keep the mouse away from our house. Now join your picture with lines to all those things which you feel are needed for you to live. Have you joined your picture to the house? Let's see with what other things can we join the house to. Think, what is a house made of? Wood, which comes from trees, bricks, which are made from water and clay. Clay we get from the soil. Water we get it from rivers, ponds, wells or rains. So let's see, this material is used to, these are the bricks, wood, cement, steel for house frame, stones to mix with cement, and glass for window. Okay, these all things are obtained from the nature only, and these few things like glass we made, cement we made, okay, steel frame that also we made. Water we get it from rivers and ponds. So natural resources of like ocean, we get water from ocean, rivers, ponds, streams and lakes. It must be to you with which pictures or words you need to join the house. In the same way, join all the things with other things related to them. While doing so, you might need to write the names of a few more things. What have you finally got? A big web, isn't it? What can you understand from this web? So, every living things are dependent on each other. That's what we understood. Look at this web. See, here we have connected the things which are linked to us, like sunlight. Here is a water, plant, moon, cow, soil, house, air. Okay, now look at this. We need cow's milk. Cow also wants to stay alive, it needs grass to eat. Okay, it also needs sunlight, it also needs water, it also needs plants to eat. Okay, now look at this. Squirrel need nuts to stay alive, so it can be obtained by plants. Squirrel lives on plants. Even soil is important to them. Rat is also needs food to eat, isn't it? So from soil it can get its food, it can stay in burrow or hole in the soil. Okay, and snake will eat rat. Snake also live in a hole in soil only. Okay, so these are also interdependent. Now look at this. Snake can eat squirrel, snake can eat rat, snake can eat birds also. Birds can live on the tree. Birds need sunlight. Birds need grass, because in grass small insects are there. These birds can eat those all insects. Birds need water to drink. Okay, so these all things are interconnected with each other, and after joining these all you can see this kind of web. Okay, Now, what things needed to make a cot? For different kinds of cot, you need wood, which comes from tree, iron, which are made of iron metal, a rope, which is made of jute, nylon strips, which are made of nylon material. Think and write what other things could be used in place of cot. In place of cot, you can use bed, charpoy, or you can say khatlo or khatia, or mattresses could be used in place of cot. Children, I hope you must understood all the things in this chapter. Now I hope you must understood about the web of life and how all the living things and non-living things are interconnected to each other. Children, thank you for watching.